Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best hair removal creams that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Aloe Vera Hair Removal Cream. The Aloe Vera Hair Removal Cream uses a safe formula with vitamin E and baby oil to leave the skin feeling moisturized. This dermatologist-tested formula is gentle enough for the skin, and no nicks or bumps are left on the skin. It also painlessly removes hair from the body. The Aloe Vera Hair Removal Cream can be used for removing hair on the knees, arms, ankles, legs, underarms, and bikini line and is suitable for individuals and families. Aloe Vera Hair Cream is a much-loved product because of its affordable price, long-lasting effects, and chemical-free combination. At number 4. Taku Hair Removal Cream. This cream uses a 3D hair removal factor to get rid of even the tiniest hair on your body. It is made of herbal plants and mild ingredients for best results, and to protect your body from the harmful effects of chemicals. The hair inhibitory growth factor in the depilation ointment can directly reach the hair follicle and prevent the absorption of nutrients in the hair follicle. Thus, the hair loses its growth power and achieves traceless purification, which leads to painless removal of the hair. The creams are chemical depilatories that uproot the hair shaft using an active ingredient. The mechanical intervention of adding the cream with the spatula or sponge helps remove dried tissue from the epidermis. For more great health guides, see our top picks for essential oil brands and oily scalp shampoos. At number 3. Nair Cocoa Butter Hair Removal Cream. Get prepared to expose more and care less. Your skin will be enhanced with the Nair lotion with baby oil. This hair removal lotion smells freshly fragrant and is filled with baby oil that softens the skin. The Nair Cocoa Butter Hair Removal Cream works in just 3 minutes. It is also tested by dermatologists for best results. Extracted from the cocoa bean plant, cocoa butter is a natural antioxidant with nourishing, hydrating, and anti-aging properties. The hair removal lasts longer and helps you enjoy a flawless body with full confidence. Quick, painless, and cost-effective, Nair lotion with cocoa butter removes hair in just 3 easy steps. Check out our guide on outdoor tanning lotions for keeping yourself safe in the sun. At number 2. Veet Leg and Body Hair Removal Kit. Veet has specially formulated these wax strips to act like a liquid during application, coating different lengths of hair, even those as short as 2 mm. The result is smoothness that lasts up to 4 weeks. Veet ready-to-use wax strip kit allows more spontaneous bare skin moments by successfully removing hair close to the root in just few minutes. It is a perfect solution when going to the salon is not an option. Peel the strip apart and apply the strip over the hair to be removed in the direction of hair growth. Pull the strip in one swift motion in the opposite direction of hair growth. Remove any excess wax from the skin with perfect finish wipe provided. At number 1. Nair Hair Remover Wax Ready. Achieve beautifully smooth skin in those oh-so-sensitive areas. Nair Wax Ready strips for face and bikini help take care of those stubborn hairs to reveal beautiful, smooth skin for up to 8 weeks. Individual results may vary. Slowly separate the strips as illustrated, no need for prior rubbing to warm the wax plus. Use one single strip at a time. Place the second single strip, folded in half with the wax on the inside, on the counter while you are using the first single strip. Apply the wax strip by pressing it down over the hair to be removed in the direction of hair growth and make it adhere by pressing down firmly with the palm of your hand. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.